Hi, this is Anthony. Welcome back to my show. So I was watching My First Million, where Sean interviews Mohnish for a second time. Very interesting. Mohnish talks about a company called Frontline, which is a oil tanker company, symbol FRO. I looked it up. Looks kind of interesting. Has a very high dividend yield. Of course, don't chase dividends. You could tell here this is when things were getting exciting in the world economy, and then with Trump tariffs and some uncertainty, things are down a bit. If you look at the max, obviously people who put $330 into it a share been disappointed, but something to keep an eye on. I also noticed Golden Ocean listed there. And here's Golden Ocean. There's 1 year going down. Still an interesting concept. Do your own research. The whole purpose of these videos is to inspire you to do your own research. There's 5 years. And of course, just like the previous one, things were pretty heady back in the past. And 8% dividend yield. If you look at dividend rates, here's Golden Ocean. We're going to go back 20 years ago, 45 cents a quarter. These are quarterly $1.19, and then it drops down to 17.5 cents for a year, a little over a year. 20 cents, 20 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 15, 5 cents, 2.5 cents a quarter. Is up to 85, 90 cents. The last couple years, 10 cents, 10 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, 15 cents. So these are really choppy, not predictable. It's not Procter & Gamble. Here is front lines. You go back to 2015, 25 cents, 35 cents quarter, 40 cents, 20, 10 cents, 15 cents. It's 15 cents for a while. 10 cents, 40 cents, 70 cents. 1 quarter, it's 15 cents. The next quarter, it's $1.07. Then it drops down to 70, 80 cents, 30 cents, 37 cents. So it's currently 20 cents. I think that it's predicted to drop down to like 15 cents for the next quarter. Anyway, do your own research. This is simply to inspire you to look at things that you might not have thought about. Will oil shipping disappear anytime soon? Not likely, but of course there's all kinds of things that can impact this. If there's a decline in the world economy, if there's a recession in the United States, things like that can affect it. Anyway, if you haven't already, please do click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read all the comments and I eventually respond to them all. Thank you so much.